Hey, my name's Rick. I've been playing the drums since I was 10 years old. I've played in cover bands, to fast hardcore punk bands, to doing sessions in the studio for various artists. More recently, I've been doing a lot more remote sessions, so I can record from home. The sticks I play with are the Collision 5ARs, which is the 5A reach. The reason why I love these sticks so much is it gives me that reach so I can lay back and groove, get into the pocket, but also I've got that durability of bringing it up and I can get that control when there's a bit more technical fiddly bits to do. The one thing I love about these is the weight. The weight is bang on. I've tried many sticks, but this is the best for weight, the length. And I love them so far, love them. The song I'm about to play for you is a Kinks song, and it's called Living on a Thin Line. Cheers, thanks.
All the stories have been told of kings in days of old, but there's no England now. All the wars that were won and lost somehow don't seem to matter very much anymore. All the lies we were told, all the lives of the people running round, their castles are burned. I see change, but inside we're the same as we ever were. Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now. This wage day's a dream, what am I, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Now another century nearly gone. What are we gonna leave for the young? What we couldn't do, or what we wouldn't do, it's a crime, but does it matter? Does it matter much? Does it matter much to you? Does it ever really matter? Yes, it really, really matters. Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Then another leader says, break their hearts and break some heads. Is there nothing we can say?